Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to make a welcome message for Discord server. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to easily create a welcome message for your Discord server. Open your Discord and go to the server. And now, first of all, we will create a new channel. So click on this plus icon and select text channel. Channel name, give welcome, and then click on create channel. Once you successfully created welcome channel, now we will add a bot to our server. So open a new tab and search for Dino Discord bot and open the first link, and here click on add to server, and here we will select free plan. So under free plan, click on add to server, and here click here and select your server. Click on continue and authorize, and ensure that you are a human. And here select your prefix and choose here your time zone. Now go to your Discord server and check the Dinobot add date or not. If it's add date, go back to the dino.gg/account page and here select servers. Now scroll down and click on the server where you just added the Dinobot. Once you are in this dashboard, scroll down and click on this module search box and type here welcome, and here just enable welcome and click on settings. Now in this message type section, select messages and channel options, select channel where you want to set up welcome message, and in this message field you can write a custom welcome message, and here we can see variables. So here's selecting here's I'm copying user variables and typing here server and pasting the variable. Now all you have to need, just click on update. Once done, now on, whenever a new member join to your server, they will get a welcome message automatically. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.